Hey guys, General Mechanic right here. Another quick video I want to share with you guys. And this is a 2004 F150 Ford 5.4. On this one right here, I'm about to replace the camshaft position sensor bank 2. And so that means left side camshaft position sensor. So I want to share with you guys how we're gonna do. So we're gonna make this happen. So all as tools needed, all we're gonna need is 8mm socket, maybe a little long extension, and 1/4 inch ratchet. I mean, all depends what size, what drive you're using. You can use, if you got an 8mm socket, 3/8 drive, you can use that. And if you look at it over here, we got a little bolt that I was able to use that right there, and I got it out. I already had it loose. So we got to do this conduct right here. All we got to do is pull it, and it's gonna be out the way. Pull it and put it to the side like that, and I may bring you a little closer. I'm gonna show you where the camshaft position is setting at, and hopefully we can get this done really quick. Okay, so if you look down here, right in front of the head, this is the camshaft position sensor. We're gonna go ahead and pull the little plug out, and just stick it somewhere it won't be on your way. Get your 8mm socket, and let's get this going. Get this broke loose and get it out of here. Should be a really simple job to do. Few tools, and should be able to get it done anywhere you are. What you got to do is have a few little tools, and you'll be able to get it done. Alright, get the bolt, set it on the side, and let's go ahead and you may want to move it, like sideways before you pry or pull on it. And this is how it's gonna be looking like. Gonna go ahead and get the new one on, and we should be done. Alright, make sure that it looks like the old one. They look the same. Yep, they're the same sensors. This is the part number right here if you wanna get it. This is one that I got from Advanced Auto Parts. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Yep, right there, CSS 1643. So that's BWD brand. Gonna go ahead and slide it in there. You can put a little bit of lubricant on the O-ring. All I like to do is rub my finger on the sensor I just got out, and lick the new O-ring. Don't just push on it, kind of move it sideways, like you just need to pull it out. Go ahead and get your bolt started, and let's see. Yep, right there. We're gonna get our socket and do all we can by hand. Then we'll get our ratchet and finish tighten it. give it a little squeeze on the tighten it. Go ahead and get your electrical plug back on it. Let's get this air conduit back on place. Alright, slide it in there. Good thing about these things is, you know, it's kind of easy to get the things and easy to get them done. So you gotta tie those things up and should be pretty much done with it. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it. This is how to replace the camshaft position sensor left side on 2004 F150 5.4. If you like this video or if you found it helpful, leave thumbs up and you know, subscribe for more. That's the main thing. We got more videos coming, and as always, have a blessed day, and we'll catch you next time.